This is gonna blow your mind. A new scientific paper that dropped on August 17th was studying the behavior of extinct seal relatives using fossil brains. Wait, back up. Brains can fossilize? It turns out they can. Brains are usually preserved as what we call endocasts. This is when the inside of the brain cavity fills in with sediments and makes a three-dimensional replica of the original brain. We can also use CT scanning to see inside the specimens and make digital endocasts. In mammalian carnivores, the shape of the brain case follows the shape of the actual brain quite closely. So brain endocasts can let us see pretty accurately the actual shape, size, and orientation of the various lobes and other areas of the brain. But let's get back to this little bit of research. The scientists were interested in a part of the brain called the coronal gyrus. This is an area of the brain that takes in sensory input from the face, including the whiskers. Seals, sea lions, and walruses, also known as pinnipeds, have a rather large coronal gyrus since they use their whiskers for their underwater foraging. And so do other living carnivores that use their whiskers to hunt underwater, like some otters, for example. It turns out that one of the earliest semi-aquatic relatives of pinnipeds, Potamotherium, also had a large coronal gyrus. And its coronal gyrus was oriented a bit more vertically than horizontally, which makes it more similar to that of modern pinnipeds. This research suggests that foraging underwater using whiskers evolved quite early on in the pinniped lineage. It even might have been one of the reasons why pinnipeds were able to become fully aquatic marine mammals. But what do you think?